You know, people, I was telling, we were talking about things, people chasing after things and stuff. Yeah, we need to fill ourselves up with the Spirit of God, you know, the Spirit of the heavenly Spirit and the goodness of God and what, you know, we wouldn't be here without Him. You know, the devil will come along and say, well, don't, your prayers are too long. They come at you through the best, the finest things, you know, you ever thought. So she loved that, and I loved it too, because you know, she prays for me, and she prays for the whole family, and she. Yeah, she one of the biggest prayers in the family. She wanted me to tell you that. I said she wanted me to tell you that. We over here at This Is It, you know, they... Can you hear me? Hold on a second. I'm going to let you talk with Kate. All right, nice talking with you.
How you doing, brother Gus? Good. How you doing? Of course, of course.